upstairs for sure. Let's go.
It's not good to take an elevator during an emergency. Stop that! Get back here, you! Get back here!
There he is. Maybe we should think about this.
What do you mean sick about this?
If he gets away with those pieces now, we might never get him back.
Ooh, Deadpool in the Magneto mobile. Sorry, Deadpool, we don't have any metal powers. Ah! Who designed these? Who? Ah! It's so fantastic!
Octopus is getting away!
Ooh, it's Hobie.
You'll need to glide across that gap to catch up with him.
We know Hobie, and you have a weird voice. Reminds me of the one in that So That Seville's Not So. Hope they soon reveal some scene shots for the Lego Avengers game. It's gonna be so awesome. Okay, come to finally. I will come back for you, Magneto. I mean Deadpool in his car. How did he even get that? Did Magneto fluid appeal or something? There's a helicopter. Did we catch a ride with that helicopter? Oh, 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 okay. We need to set that fan down now. Everyone's a fan for superheroes. Get it? Okay, that's probably supposed to joke. Okay, okay. Oh, it is. Wait, one. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Wait. He's pumping water into that. Okay. Well, J. Jonah Jameson, I am not voting for you, you spider hater. You spider hater. I'll vote Captain America to save the day! For America! It was an awesome choice to use Mr. Fantastic for Captain America to save the day. And Doc Ock, slow down, stop being a chicken, fight, you old man. Doc Ock is kind of like an old man. An old scientist, he's a science node.
I don't think you'll be following me across here, heroes.
He's climbing on a hotel. It's a get on that building. You have the power to fly.
What are we waiting for? Let's go get him.
Yeah, let's go get him. Oh man. Oh, you waiting for? Let's go get him. Okay. Hi. Person who cries, Mr. Fantastic. Mr. Fantastic, Mr. Fantastic. Well, he's not fantastic to me. He's fantastic. He's not fantastic. Everything he does is fantastic. Mr. Fantastic. But it's okay. Because Mr. Fantastic, no one. But I like his design. Actually, not every single card was fantastic. Not these Lego games. Okay, where am I supposed to be? Well, is this a wasted trip? I feel. Oh. Okay. Okay, I see. Oh, now I see. I like everything. Can't wait for Lego Jurassic Park. I mean Jurassic World because you train every movie. Okay. Hey. I like the design for Dog Ox henchman, like octopuses like he is.
Careful, Dr. Richards. It's a long way down.
Stop attacking my back! Captain America, quick! For America! Dog Ox henchman. This is a long chase. I remember this being a long thing. Oh, I know what this part is. Okay, come on, wait. Oh, there he is. Why? Yo, how am I gonna... Okay, so how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? Oh, my suit on? Oh, yay! Yeah. Oh, now
We can't reach him from here.
I know what he's using. I know what Mr. Toxic needs to do. What he's called Fantastic. I know what else I remember. This year, the Fantastic Four reboot.
What are you doing?
Oh wait! Oh my god! Oh.
Parker, do your job. I want some time for bugle stories on the net thing or interface.
Yes, sir. Netface.
You understand the web, don't you?
The web? Yeah. It's a job and a hobby.
Doc Octopus? You're a real doctor, right? Because I have a pain right here. It goes down there. Ooh, and I bend over there. Wow.
Your cheap health plan doesn't cover office visits.
Parker! Parker! I need some money for this for the website. How hard could it be? I mean, this time the news is coming to us.
You could record it with your smartphone, JJ, if you could figure out how to turn it on.
I know what this means.
Hey, guys.